Assalamualaikum everyone. This topic is life to me is what? So Pablo Picasso, the famous artist, had once quoted that the meaning of life is to find a gift and the purpose of life is to give it away. For me, life to me is an eternal quest for meaning and purpose. I strongly feel that every action that we do, every incident that happens to us, there is some meaning to it. And it's always there in our subconscious. But it really requires a lot of alertness or awareness to really come to terms with it. Initially I was oblivious to all this. I never really realized that things just happen. I never really thought of why they happened. So the why aspect was never into the picture. And once I became alert about this aspect, I started dwelling into this more and more. And I realized that actually whatever things that happen to us, all these things, they are linked somewhere or the other. For example, as Muslims, our purpose has been clearly cut out. It is to worship Allah, to thank Him for whatever you are, whatever gifts have been endowed to you. As simple as that. If we can align our life with that one purpose, that is worshipping Allah, thanking Allah, so imagine how much meaning that would really provide. And that would make your life fulfilling, not anything else. For some people, quest of knowledge is the real driving force. But that even knowledge has some meaning to it. So it's the way I see it, it's all about these two things, purpose and meaning. There comes a point of time where we just fall prey to our desires and we really don't care about the real purpose behind us doing it, the outcome of that, the meaning and all these things. And to be very frank, it would really require someone insane to dwell into all these things at a great depth. But I think it's required with every decision you make in your life. After all, life is a sum total of all the choices or decisions that you make. So before making any kind of decision, it's important to understand what kind of an outcome it will have. The purpose behind you making that decision. So here is where the why aspect comes into picture. If you can question everything that happens in your life, if you can question every action that you intend to take, imagine how much fulfilling your life would be after that. For example, if you don't really want to fall prey to your desires, the best thing that, for example, purchasing a bike, if you can actually ask the question why and be true and honest to yourself, you can realize for a fact that whether the bike is actually a necessity or just a luxury. So this is where the whole purpose aspect comes into picture, the question of the why question. And right now, with our society, with all these things happening, be it the governing bodies, the voting system, the various decisions that we make, and I feel the most important, if we can actually be true to ourselves and keep asking questions to ourselves that why we are doing what we are doing, I think it would help not only us but the whole society. So I just want to repeat this question again: why am I doing what I am doing? Be it starting an enterprise or taking probably if you are at the cusp of your graduation, taking a course, taking another course, whether you should decide between an engineering course or medical course. So this is where you really need to figure out this and understand what is right for you. And that can only happen if you are true to yourself. If you can reflect, introspect, and ask yourself again and again the question of why. So that's all for now. Thank you very much.